Good morning class. Today we will discuss about assessment of weight, height, length in newborn and children. So first we will discuss about weight. Weight. Why we are assessing weight? So that we can able to identify what is the health status of a child. Health status of a child and nutritional status of a child. And nutritional status of child. The normal newborn weight is 2.5 to 3.9 kg. 2.5 to 3.9 kg. After birth, 10% of birth weight is lost. 10% of birth weight is lost in first week of life. In first week of life. Why? Because the child has to adjust into the extrauterine environment. Extrauterine environment. So maybe the child may have some problem with the adjustment, or there may be inadequate feeding and digestive adaptation and loss of fluid, and kidneys, they are small, kidney size is small, so the child is passing urine more, so that may also lead to weight loss, lead to decreased weight. So in the first week 10% of weight is lost. After 10% after first week, 30 gram per day. 30 gram per day weight is increasing in first 5 to 6 months. Weight is increasing in first 5 to 6 months. Then 15 gram per day weight is increasing next 6 to 12 months. 6 to 12 months. So when the child is 5 months old, the weight, it is getting double of the birth weight. When the child is 1 year of age, weight it is getting triple. When the child is 2 year of age, weight it is getting 4 times. When the child is 3 year of age, weight it is getting 5 times of the birth weight. When the child is 5 year, the child will having weight 6 times of the birth weight. When the child is 7 year, the child will be having weight of 7 times of the birth weight, and when the child is 10 year, the birth weight it will be the 10 times. Now we will discuss how we will measure weight. Measurement of weight. Measurement of weight in children. So there are various methods for measurement of weight. One is beam type weighing scale. Beam type weighing scale. Second is electronic weighing scale. Electronic weighing scale. Third is Salter beam method. Salter spring method. Salter spring method. And one is weighing scale normally that we are using. Weighing scale. So these are the method of measurement, how we will be measuring the weight. Giving. What are the instruction you will be giving to measure the weight? First is minimum clothing. One is minimum clothing. Second is tell the person to stand erect. To stand erect. Third is you have to record the weight on the growth chart. Fourth is prevent the child to get into any injury, any fall or any injury. So thus we will measure the weight. Now there are some formula. Calculation of weight by formula, and the formula we will call as which formula. So how we are measuring the weight? According to the age they have given the formula. So first formula is 3 months to 12 months of age. That means when the child is 3 months to 12 months of age, so the expected weight is equal to age in month plus 9 divided by 2. For example, the age of the child is 6 months. Now you have to calculate what will be the expected weight. The expected weight will be 6 plus 9 divided by 2. That is 15 by 2. That is 7.5 kg. So at the age of 6 months, the weight it will be 7.5 kg. If you are knowing only age, so first formula is 3 months to 12 months. Expected weight is equal to age in month plus 9 divided by 2. Second is if the child is 1 to 6 year of age. 1 to 6 year of age. Then the formula is expected weight is equal to 2 into age plus 8. 2 into age of child plus 8. Age it should be in year. Age in year into 2 plus 8. For example, the child is 2 year of age. So what will be the weight at the age of 2 year? 2 into 2 plus 8. So 12 kg. The weight at the age of 2 year is 12 kg. Third formula is if the child is more than 7 year to 12 year. If the child is 7 year to 12 year, then the formula is expected weight is equal to 7 into age minus 5 divided by 2. Age it will be into the year. So for example, if the child is having age of 9 years, then what will be the weight? 7 into 9 minus 5 divided by 2. So 9 7 is 63 minus 5 divided by 2. So that is 58 by 2, that is 29 kg. So this was the formula that we can able to calculate the weight according to the age. According to 3 to 12 months of age, 1 to 6 year and 7 to 12 year of age. Now we will discuss length and height assessment. So at the time of birth, we are measuring length of a child. Length of a child we are measuring till the age of 2 years. So length means we are making the person to lie down in a supine position from head to toe, head to heel. We are measuring the length. So at the time of, so what it is indicating, the length or a height, it is indicating the skeletal maturity. Skeletal maturity. So at birth, the normal length is 45 to 50 centimeter. Length is 45 to 50 centimeter. During first 6 months, length increases 2.5 centimeter per month. First 6 month में 2.5 centimeter per month. Next 6 month, it is increasing 1.25 centimeter per month. So at the age 1 year, the length is 75 centimeter. At the age 2 year, length is 85 centimeter. At the age 3 year, length is 95 centimeter. At the age 4 year, length is 100 centimeter. Height is 100 centimeter. So the height it is doubles at the age of 4 year. And at the age of 13 year, height it is tripled, that is 150 centimeter. So in competitive they may be asking the questions when the height is doubled, when the height is tripled. So at the age of 4 year, the height it is doubled. At the age of 13 year, it is tripled. So how you will be measuring the height? So what is the method of measurement of height or a length? So there are two scale. One is infantometer. Second is stadiometer. Infantometer and stadiometer. Infanto means infant less than 1 year of age. That means the child cannot able to stand. So infantometer, meter means we are measuring the length or the height. So the child cannot able to stand. So less than 2 year of age, we are measuring the length of a child. And when the child is standing and walking, at that time when the child is having the balance, at that time we are measuring the length, that is more than 2 year of age. The child can able to stand, we can able to measure the height. But with the help of infantometer, we are measuring the length. There is one formula for height estimation, that is for 2 to 12 year of age. How we will calculate the height? Age in year multiplied by 6 plus 77 centimeter. For example, the child is 3 year old. So someone is asking what is the height. So how you will calculating? 3 into 6 plus 77. So 18 plus 77 is equal to 95 centimeter. So the child will have the height of 95 centimeter. So this was related with length and height assessment of a child. And earlier we have discussed about the weight assessment in a child or in a newborn. Thank you class. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for the more videos. Thank you.